little friends! Let's dive into the beautiful ocean and meet some sea animals. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hello, I'm a dolphin. I love to swim fast and jump high above the water. Can you swim like me?
Hello, I'm a sea turtle. I swim slowly and carry my home on my back. Can you swim slowly like me?
Hello, I'm a seahorse. I have a curled tail to hold onto sea plants. Can you curl your finger like me?
Hello, I'm an octopus. I have 8 long arms to explore the ocean. Can you wave your arms like me?
Hello, I'm a crab. I love to walk sideways on the sandy ocean floor. Can you walk sideways like me? Hello, I'm a starfish. I have 5 arms and rest on the ocean floor. Can you count my arms?
Hello, I'm a stingray. I glide smoothly through the ocean with my wide fins. Can you glide like me?
Hello, I'm a jellyfish. I float gently with the ocean waves. Can you float like me?
Hello, I'm a blue tang. My bright blue body helps me stand out in the reef. Can you find the color blue? Hello, I'm a clownfish. I live safely among sea anemones. Can you wave hello to me? Hello, I'm a parrotfish. I use my strong beak to nibble coral. Can you nibble like me? Hello, I'm an angelfish. My long fins help me swim gracefully. Can you glide like me? Hello, I'm a butterflyfish. I love to swim around colorful coral reefs. Can you swim with me?
Great job, friends! Today we met lots of sea animals. Hope to see you on our next underwater adventure. Bye-bye!